Pour it, swirl it, watch it shine. Every little piece, one of a kind. From our hands straight to you, crafted with love, poured with joy. Pour Sisters Studio.
Okay, this is just a little test run because I don't know how this is gonna work, and I just wanted to come out and see how in the heck I'm going to get this done. Trying to find a piece of tape, clean off my my table here. I'm gonna try to make beach waves on these coasters. Apparently, I like to make messes before I don't clean them up, so that's how we roll around here. Messy. Anyway, did a few coasters that look like, well, my rendition of the beach, and plan is to make it look like waves coming through. Sorry, I did not clean. Like I said, I did not clean. Anyway, once we do the beach scene, we'll move these out of the way. So I think currently you can only see. Okay, I need to remember that up to here. So I'm gonna put that there so I know not to go out of the frame there. And okay, we got it. So I'm gonna make up some resin and I'll be back. Okay. I use craft resin 1-to-1 ratio, low viscosity, and I've only been using it for probably the last 6 months. I've just been trying out different epoxies. I really like craft resin. I haven't tried Bond Crafter, but I'm wanting to. I've noticed that, like, when you mix up craft resin, if you leave it set, like, you don't even need a vacuum chamber. It just automatically will degas itself. So I haven't had any trouble with bubbles, or, I mean, yes, is there an occasional bubble every once in a while? Sure. Also, I do my resin crafts out in my she shed, and I do have it's heat controlled. I also have an air conditioner for the summer, but it got cold here in Oklahoma, let me tell you. And these little heaters out here in my little shop has kept it, well, currently it is 80 degrees in my shop. So I haven't had any trouble keeping my resin warm, or my projects curing. They've done a great job. So anyway, what I'm going to do today is, like I said, I've made these already. Sorry you weren't here for the process, but I just now got my ring light. And I can't say that this is going to be the first video, but I can say it will probably get posted at some point. Hopefully that radio is not too loud for you. And it's probably, you know what, I probably should shut it off. Anyway, I think that's mixed up pretty good. I like to keep my cups. I like to reuse them. They're not cheap. Okay, I turned the music down. I can't have I can't have anything. I got to have something there. You know what? Words don't work some days. It'll work it all. I really love when I misplace items that should have been right here. Lost is found. Never mind. Okay. We're going to use this little cup. Don't mind my dog. She's a little dramatic sometimes. A wee bit dramatic. Okay, so I'm gonna mix some. I have some. Let's raise on the ocean white. I love it. Does a great, fantastic job making it opaque. So we're gonna do just a little bit. Just enough for some waves. Then I got enough for, hopefully that's not too much. If it is, you know what, I can make up more. I have more resin. That's the beauty of being a crafter. You make sure you don't run out of stuff. So I'm gonna mix some that in there. Hopefully I'll make it opaque. Stir it up really good. You don't want it looking like that. You want to make sure it's really good and mixed well. You don't really want to incorporate very many bubbles, but like I said, I'm going to blow this. I'm going to try to make waves, so I'm going to blow it with my heat gun. So chances are we're going to blow the bubbles out. If not, you know what? It's going to be waves, and it'd be all right. And like Bob Ross says, it'll be a happy little accident. See, that's kind of what you're wanting to go for. You're wanting to go, you know, I'm wanting a wave, man. I want to ride that wave. Okay, here we go. Okay. So I'm going to pour just a little bit. Like, well, we'll just put these over here. Do one at a time. Start with this lucky one. I'm not going to pour very much because I want it to move. I want the water to move. I want it to ripple, you know? And I don't want it to get crazy on me. Spread this out to the edges. It doesn't really have to come up all the way up here. I don't need it up in there, but I want it in the water. So, and it doesn't matter. I can either put another top coat on here. It's as soon as my waves are cured. That's what we'll do. All right. Well, we're about to find out if this is going to work for me or not. I do have my Resiner's heat gun, and I don't have the attachment on it. I guess I could. Let me grab that real quick. Got a wheel that don't want to cooperate. Okay, what am I doing wrong? Hello? It don't like me. Okay. Maybe some. Surely it just fits over that, right? I've never used it before, so. It's my first time. Cooperate. You're making me look. Okay, awesome. We got it. Got it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm right-handed, so I'm gonna push it that way. We shall see after we put it in. Let's put it in first. Oh, I got a piece of. I got a drippy drip right there. I poured it a while ago, or the other day. Okay. So I just want to lay some weight. Ooh, holy moly. Okay. That might have been maybe it could have been a touch too much. Like I said, this is all experiment. I've never done waves before. This is my first time. You guys are witnessing it live. Okay, well, not live, but anyway. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Okay. That got a little out of control, but you know, sometimes. Okay. Go that way, go that way, go that way. Please. Oh, I really like that. Okay, let's make it go over this way. Oh, that way. Oh shoot. Nope. You're not doing that. Nope. That was a bad idea. It went from pretty to ugly. Pretty ugly now. Let's go back out. Let's go back out. Come back in. Oh. Oh. Okay. Well, you know, that's how the cookie crumbles, guys. Like it, you know, just kind of. Hopefully she comes back. Oh. Okay. Go this way. I don't want you right there. You're bugging me. You're bugging me. You're bugging me. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Shh. Calm down. Calm down. Okay. Come back. Oh. All right. Well, I'm not gonna lie. I do like that. But I think this could come over here more. You know, come over. There's a pinch. You could go back out that way. Could come this way. Okay. I'm not upset about it. Now, is it the best? No. And I'm sure there's people out there that looks at this and goes, what is that poor girl doing? She's struggling. Well, yeah, she is. Because it is my first time. This is my first time trying to do waves, guys. I don't know. I've been doing resin for about five years or so. Mostly started out with tumblers. I think I put too much. Yeah. So, I mean, you know, do I know everything? No. By no means, shape, or form. But, I don't know. What's that one commercial? Farmer's commercial. I know a thing or two about a thing or two. Well, some days. You know, what they say. Some days I'm the sound. We're going to try a different one. Let's try a different one. I'm not upset about it, but we're going to try a different one. Okay. Maybe more thinner line and less crazy maybe, huh? I don't know. Or maybe I should have done it. Maybe I should have done this more different. If anybody else has a quicker method for me, let me in on it. Because you girls struggling here. I've seen it done, but you know, never tried it. Here we are. And yet here we are. Okay. Let's do costero number 2. Okay, thinner line. You know what? Here's what we'll do. I've got, yes, I think More thinner like that, maybe? See? This hand gets heavy and crazy. Heavy, crazy hand. Oh, there we go again. Let's put it across here. All right, let's try that. Let's try that. I might have made up way too much. Maybe I made too much. Let's try this. Oh, okay, okay. I'm legit not upset about that. Not upset about that at all. Let's drag out here though. Let's make our match. Well, do I like it? I don't know. I don't. First of all, I'm from Kansas, Oklahoma area. We don't do beaches here, guys. I'm not a beach girl. But I've been to the beach. You know? You girls been to the beach. Where you going? You gotta come back. Okay. Well, I'm not upset about that one either. That one over there is is like a crazy tide, and this one is Again, I don't know. Okay, over to the side. Over to the side and grab another coaster. I don't like this part right here. I think it could be more wispy. And here, what the heck is going over here? Is this a cove or something? Like, I don't know what you're doing. Okay, we're moving on, because the more I mess with stuff, I've noticed is a bad idea. Okay, coaster number 3. Different stuff we're gonna try. Let's see, what can we do? Maybe not as much resin. What do you think? And I don't know what it's gonna do after it cures, you know. I mean, where's my white gonna go? That's the whole deal. Okay. All right. Well, thin didn't work for me. Let's try in the middle. Ooh, okay. Hello. Yep, that was a lot. All right, let's give that a shot. Well, this one's okay, except I don't like this over here. Like, what are you doing? Where are you going? Ooh, I don't like that. That got a little out of control real fast. Okay, this needs to go. More out to sea, please. I don't know if I like that or not. Eee. Best just leave that one alone. What do you think? I mean, I don't know. I'm sure I'll watch these later and go, ick. But for right now, it is what it is. So, okay. Number 3 is down. 4. I gotta hurry because I'm sure my resin's not getting any colder. One at a time. Doop-dee-dee, doop-dee. A little heat gun. Whew. Made it a little warm in here. Sorry guys, I'm battling some kind of chest cold or something. I don't know. I had to take the rest of the next week off, so got time to heal. Hopefully I feel like coming out in my shed, but we'll see. You just never know. We have some projects I need to finish, so I ain't got time for this sickness, I can tell you that right now. I can tell you, I for sure made too much white. I think I made too much white. Oh, I think I did. Sorry, I sing, and that's how it goes. You don't like it, you don't have to watch it. Look at that. Looky, looky. Okay. I'm not upset about this one. I like this one. Now, can I do it again? Probably not. Because they all won't turn out like that. I'll tell you that right now. Whatever. Whatever. It is what it is. I'm gonna have to make this one to match the set. Oh, dang it. Oh, gosh. Are you crazy, woman? Are you crazy? I think I got excited on that one. I think I got a little excited. That one probably can just go by itself because Let's Resin comes. They have 5 of these coasters. It doesn't fit in the in the holder, all 5. So that pretty one will be on my desk. Shh, don't tell nobody. We won't tell them. Whoever buys the set of coasters, they won't know that it came in a set of 5, you know. But now I'm gonna have to match this one to all those wispy ones. It's okay. I think we can do it. I think we can do it. How pretty is that? Gosh. I love the look of that. That's so pretty. Okay, I didn't match the others. Dang it. It's okay. You know, it's... What the heck am I doing? Look at that. It matches the other ones now. I don't know. That didn't upset me either. I'm not unhappy with it. Wispy. That's not really how an ocean looks, does it? I don't, like I said, I'm from Oklahoma. That's my excuse. Kansas, actually. I mean, I live on the border of Kansas and Oklahoma. Use that excuse, huh? I like that rock there. I like that rock there. So pretty. Hello. You're so pretty. Stay. Thank you. Okay. That got a little crazy on me right there, didn't it? Yeah. Okay. You know what? We're keeping that. We're keeping it. It is what it is. It'll, what did I say? It'll all come out in the wash. It'll all come out in the wash. Let's try this big boy. Oh, it's got a free floating rock. Okay. I don't want to mess this one up because it's really pretty. Let's just not put very much. I have 2 more after this. I made up too much resin the day I was making these coasters. So, hence why we're doing so many right now. But I gotta put a little rush on it because, your girl's taking forever. Taking forever. I don't know if this is even going to make it to the interwebs, to be honest. Who knows? Who knows? I just know I gotta hurry because I got 2 more to do. Where am I? There it is. Okay, come on now. What about this one? What about this one? This one's not horrible. Care for the being right up here, but it's not upsetting me. It's not upsetting me. It's giving good vibes. Giving good vibes. Ooh, where are you going? Okay. Stay right there. Now, I have 2 more. Lord, it's getting hot in here. This is the base for those 5 little coasters. I did just a blue, that's resin, alcohol ink, and poured some sand. And then I had a little bag of these pebbles, which... Oh, I honestly can't tell you where I got them because I've had them probably for about 5 years. I know. I'm a hoarder, guys. I'm a craft hoarder. Hello, my name's Marcy. Anyway, here I am. I'm gonna let my resin go to So here's my other two. I have to do them both at the same time because I'm running a light. Probably have to find something to put this stuff in. The white especially, because I made too much. I guess we could probably use all the rest of this white, or the clear. What do you think? Let's just do it. Let's just do it. Hold on. Hold on. I'll wash my cup out because I don't want to waste it. I just wash it out with alcohol and a paper towel. Just get it cleaned out so I can use it for the next time. As soon as I get these waves on here, that's probably what I'll do. I'll probably just go wash it after the video's over. We're gonna pour some white in something, but I don't know what, to be honest. It's getting warm. That white's getting warm. You know what? We're going all the way up. We're gonna get a little crazy with this one. These ones. Because, you know, crazy's my middle name. It ain't really. It really isn't. Okay. Let's turn it sideways. Oh man, I feel like that's gonna flash cure on me. I don't want it to. Hope you can see. Can you even see what I'm doing? Let me look. Not really. Okay. Oh my goodness. The world's ending. The world is ending. Sophie. Shh, 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 shh. Terrible. White sunk. Not white sunk in that one. I didn't like that one at all. Eek. Eek. What the heck happened? I'm telling you, my white. That white just, no. It's too bad. It's a really cute coaster. I think I'll just I'll have to keep eye on it and babysit it. When it starts curing, I'll move the water out so you can see the beach. But that one was a bad idea. That one turned out pretty cute. But I think my white sunk. That's probably what happened. It's my white sunk. Which, whatever, you know. It is what it is. we're leaving this one alone, so if I don't like some of the ones that sunk. The idea was not to sink. It was to wave. All right, of course, I'm continuously messing with stuff. Look at that. Ugh. Fail. Oh. It's okay though. It's all good. I'm just gonna... Dang it. See? I've heated it so much that the resin is so thin and I can't fix it because it'll ruin that one if I did. Eh. Eh. Okay, well, we can say that my first beach experience was technically, it was okay. You know what, I think that's what I'll do. I'm gonna set something on here or under here. But what? As long as it doesn't overflow. I just want to be able to see the beach. I mean, we can pour some clear in here, whatever. You know, I mean, I can use it as a paperweight. It's not that big of a deal. It's not horrible. Fix some waves here. Tell me right now if these look better than what I'm doing with the one thing. Grr. I won't use the one thing no more. Okay, well. Let's see how this goes. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it looks. Good enough. Where am I going to put that white in? Hopefully that white will be okay. It got a little warm on me. It's getting a little warm. Well, no wonder my wheel wasn't rolling all over my jacket. Okay. Ouch. Ooh, let's pour this. Make it blue. Probably out of frame. Put some blue. I know it's getting really hot. My white is. Oh, that's so pretty. That's such a pretty color. Look how pretty that is. Oh, I like it. It's getting sticky. It's getting sticky. Anyway, I'll make a little keychain or something out of that. I don't like wasting resin. Not a good idea to do that. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Spritz that Uno time. anyway, that's my first time beach experience. This one's really good. This one turned out really good. I'm happy with it. Not sad about that one. That one's good. This one I like. I like this one too. I think it's already almost set up. Like I can almost pour clear over it. Oh, this one's pretty too. Kind of got a little wispy. Oh, I better put them over here. I'm running out of room. Mediocre. This one, it's kind of like that one. I mean, it's just, I feel like it's too much. Anyway, like I said, this one by far is my favorite so far. But if you guys have any pointers, this one, I poured too much. I mean, like I said, I'm gonna babysit it. We'll see. We'll see. I don't know. These will probably just be for around my house and stuff. So it's not, you know, paperweights. I'll use them out in the shop, whatever. So anyway, thank you for watching and see you next time.